Okay, so I'm not going to keep you long today. We're just going to make this pasta salad with egg and tuna. So let's just take a look at the ingredients that we've got. So I'm using this pasta. This is a fusilli. You can use any pasta you want, penne or something like that. I've got some mayo there, but I'm not going to tell you how much because we're going to eyeball it when we put it in. Here I've got 2 cans or 2 cups of tuna. Canned tuna. You can get it in oil or in water. That one's in oil. Just drained it off a little bit, not too much. And then I've got a cup roughly each of grated carrot, celery, cucumber, green onions and bell peppers. 1 small tomato, tablespoon of fresh Parmesan cheese, and here I've got 4 hard boiled eggs. Now look, you can be really playing around with any of the amounts of these vegetables. You can think about putting some other veg in, maybe you can get some sweet corn in there or some green beans or something like that, up to you. So very simply, we're just going to get that all together, little mix. So we have a large mixing bowl there. You can see that I've put the pasta in already. Let's just drop everything in. So we're going to go carrot, celery, cucumber, some green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them, some bell peppers. I'm using green and red, a little bit of tomato. That's just 1 kind of small tomato. We're then going to add the Parmesan cheese, the egg that I've chopped up, 4 eggs there. Then we're going to go with the 2 cans of tuna. Do you know what I mean? The kind of small thin one is what I'm talking about. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now I'm not adding too much salt because the mayo's got salt in it and the Parmesan's quite salty, so you can adjust that, but just be careful. Black pepper, nice big couple of pinches of that. I want to go quite heavy on that. And then one thing I didn't show you earlier, I'm going to drop in some fresh mint, which I think is lovely, or you could put some parsley or cilantro in, something like that. Okay, so the mayo, we've got 1, 2, 3, about 4 tablespoons in total. Now I don't want this swimming in mayo, but you can choose how you'd like that. Okay, I'm going to give that a mix. See you in a couple of minutes. All right, there she blows. Very, very simple. Like I said, not going to keep you long today. Add some other vegetables, whatever you've got, some sort of salad items in there. You could even put some red beans in there, maybe something like that. Bulk it out. Yeah, really, really nice, easy and delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Do the old thumbs up, click the bell thing and all that, and leave us a comment. I do like to hear from you. I'll see you soon. Take care. Lots of love.